So guys, for the first step, you're going to get into this screen. Now to get here, you're going to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you're going to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You're going to repeat this 3 times. So you're going to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, turn it off again and then turn it back on again. Repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time when you turn your computer on again, it will now take you into this screen. It's going to say that your PC did not start correctly. You're going to click on Advanced Options. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. If you do not see Command Prompt, you're going to click on Seam Recovery Options, then it should appear right here. So you're going to click on Command Prompt, and now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in bootrec / rebuild BCD. Click on Enter. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, we're now going to type in bootrec / fix MBR. Click on Enter again. And now we're going to type in bootrec / fix boot. Click on Enter again. If it says access is denied, just ignore it. Now we're going to type in sfc / scan now. Click on Enter again. You now want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. And now we're going to type in chkdsk /f /r C:. Click on Enter. And you now want to run this scan. I'm just going to get off this scan so I can finish off the video, but in your case you just want to complete this whole scan. And then once you complete the scan, you just want to close out of Command Prompt, continue to Windows, and then the prompt should be fixed.